Okay, everyone. There has been a lack of work being done and a lot of emails asking where certain things can be found. So this quick video is showing you around what all of your Google Classrooms for chemistry for my class, Miss Leon's class, are going to look like. Okay. The first page, your stream. Up here is our meet link. You click on it every day. That's how we meet each other for our class time, okay? Right here where it says upcoming, that's telling you the assignments that are due. You can click on them and it will take you exactly to that assignment that's due. So if you have things that are due, for instance, due today is the Mass and Change Lab assessment. It's right there, okay? You'll know if you finished it because when you click on it, it should say you turned it in, okay? If you scroll down, this is really just your information hub, okay? Some of the activities will pop up on here, but then I'll post important notes like this one today. I did a check-in. I also linked for you my YouTube channel where I put all my review videos that if you're struggling, you should be watching, okay? The next part is our classwork area. All right, everything is organized by week, and even off to the side where it says all topics, you can easily jump to whatever week you need to, and it has the dates, okay? Up top are the textbook chapters. So we are using an online textbook that's in a PDF form. So as we go through the units, I'll isolate the parts of that unit that you need, and I will make a PDF out of them. Once you open the PDF, you can even pick exactly what you're struggling on and it will take you to that chapter. So if you were having trouble figuring out, let's see, chemical changes, if I click on chemical change, it will bring me right to that part of your Flexbook, so your online textbook, okay? Scrolling down from textbook chapters, here's resources. You can find our WAG here, which I'll actually move up a little closer to the top of the resources area. I put my YouTube channel here. I have how to submit assignments, things like that. Okay, if you scroll down, the newest week will be at the top of the page. So right now we're in week 4. In class today, you did the assessment. For homework, you need to work on the simulation. Okay, always, 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 if you're looking for notes, go back to certain days. Here's your matter notes with pictures from what we did on the board. On the day of the matter flowchart, I have, which was 9/8, Tuesday, the 8th of September, I have review videos. They're the same ones from my YouTube channel. Okay. Everybody that's telling me they can't find things, you're not looking hard enough. Okay. It's right there. All right. So before you email me looking for something, check Google Classroom.